Letter A, the first letter in the English alphabet, and we have 26, and here we have the first one. First one is A. And we say it A. What is the sound? A. You write it from top to bottom, again top to bottom, and you have an arrow like this. That is A. And the small letter. Up. Go like this, right up to here, up, down. A. That is A. Letter A, you say it as A. To write, you got to be very careful. You say and write together. You will say top to bottom, side. A. This is small A. Sound is A. Now, shall we sing a song? To remember the sound A, you need something. Ants, let's think of ants on your hand. A, ants on my arm. A, ants on my arm. A, ants on my arm. They are causing me alarm. We'll do it again. A. When the ants bite, you say A. You'll make. You remember the sound for the letter, first letter A. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. They are causing me alarm. You got it? The sound of A is A. We have several words with letter A. We need to do some letters, some sounds, and then we need to do some words to go with the sound. Now, when you say A, you say ant. Ant. Axe. A-X-E, axe. Apple. Apple. Act. You know to act? Apron. Mama wears apron. Now let's read it. The sound A, ant, axe, apple, act, apron, alligator. Some more. Give me some more words. Arrow, ant, apple. Let's sing the song. Do you know the song? Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. They are causing me alarm. Sound of the letter A. Having learned the sound of letter A, we go to the next letter. What is that? Very good. B. We go to the letter B. The B goes from top to bottom. B. That is first, second, third. B. What's the sound? B. We say it as B. If you have a bat in your hand, how will you kick the ball? B. That is the sound of B. The small b, we write it as like this. That is first top to bottom, then like this. B. The letter B, the sound is B. And to remember the sound B, we have a song. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Got it? Let's take it again. Bring your bat and bring your ball. bring your bat and bring your ball. B, b, bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. You got the sound of letter B? The letter B. The sound is B. Now let's have some words. Yes, very good. Ball. Baby. Very good. Another word. Bell. B. Bell. Yes, blue, correct? Yes, next one. Book. Okay, fine. The sound of letter B is B. And we have some words here. Ball, baby, bell, blue, book. And we have many more words, but let's learn some of this. Okay, so the word, these words, to get it clear, to say it loud, you need to remember the sound. But the first letter, A. Second letter, B. Ball, B. Ball. Okay, so you remember two sounds, you learn two sounds today. Now we are going to do the third letter, the letter C. The letter C goes like this. You go from here right up to here, like this, and small one, just smaller than that. C. This is letter C. And the letter C has a sound that is K. We do not say C, K. When you say cat, K. To remember the sound, you have a little song to remember. K. Just listen attentively. We are clicking castor nut, K, K, K. We are clicking castor nuts, K, K, K. We are clicking castor nuts, clicking castor nuts. We are clicking castor nuts, K, K, K. You got the sound? C, K. Now give me some words please with the sound K. Very good. Cat. Yes. Cup. K. Some more. Car. K. Car. Candle. Yeah, very good. Can, water can. Now, the sound of the letter C is K. We have cat, cup, car, candle, can, many other things. So, we learned the letter C, the sound K. Let's remember K for C.